What's good? My name is Kelechi XV and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be bringing you guys a breakdown of my latest dance video, which was filmed in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And I hope you guys find it helpful. So let's get into it. I was really excited with this project because I love going up to the Upper Peninsula during the fall season and capturing the fall colors. Just being up there with nature, and fall is just a very awesome time in Michigan, and I was glad I was able to capture it. Now, if you've seen some of my other dance videos, you'll know that I like to keep a certain theme with all my concept videos. And for this video, the theme was definitely an outdoor fall adventure. After I had the theme, I started to think about the look for the project. I thought of some of my favorite shows on Netflix that were set in a similar scene, and I started to get inspired by the look. And that's a thing that I like to do when I watch Netflix or watch different shows, is I really like to learn from these shows and just learn about the visuals, learn about the mood, and learn about different things and see how I can apply it to my project. So after I had the idea ready, the rest of the plan wasn't too structured. All I did was call up some friends and see who was available.
Yeah, train the building, what's up?
The only thing though was that most of my friends didn't want to stay too long in the UP, and I actually wanted to stay in the UP for about a week. So I had to drive up there by myself, get a map, get on the road, and just hit it. An important tip when I was planning this is that the fall season here comes and goes very fast. So we really had to keep that in mind when we were planning this trip, and we had to make sure we were up in the Upper Peninsula at the right time so we can capture all the vibrant colors and the beautiful nature before it was too late. So for this video, I really wanted to highlight some of the exciting and beautiful landscape, awesome locations that are in the UP. And for that, I first had to get a list of places, and this list, and I just kind of Googled about the most exciting places in Michigan. Always make sure you do your research on locations, because that is going to be very helpful when you're trying to shoot. But a lot of times, most of the spots and locations I found, it was just from driving around, and these turned out to be some of the best spots. Another popular spot we went to was Pictured Rocks, and for this we had to do a very long hike to get to the end, but it was worth it. Like all along the hike, we were stopping, getting little video clips, and just going, and right when we got to the end, it was just the most beautiful view in Michigan. So I knew putting this video together, it would have to be me dancing in every location. So to do that, we would pretty much find a location. Once we got there, we would take a few minutes just setting up and getting our angles right, finding the right composition, thinking about different things.
Go to the left. Oh, sorry, you're right.
And then once we got everything, I would do my thing, start busting my moves, dancing, freestyling, you know what I'm saying? Start killing it, you know what I'm saying? Do my thing real quick. And then after that, you know, we would check if we liked it. I would usually do about 2 to 3 takes, sometimes a couple more depending on how I was feeling, just until I know like, okay, I got the right segment I needed for my dance clip there. So what I usually do is I'll have the other person stand in front of the camera in the spot that I'm usually going to be in. I'll record a little bit of clip of them and I'll tell them exactly what I want. If you guys are making a video, you pretty much have to be in charge and just take charge of that video, take charge of the direction, and make your instructions very clear. So once I get done dancing at the spot, I start to think of different shots like B-roll, or maybe putting together some walking shots, some other B-roll. Definitely overshoot when you get to a location. Whenever I go to a location, I shoot more B-roll. I'll just come up with ideas on the spot, shoot them. As long as I got time, I try to shoot as much as possible at the location. I hope you guys found this concept breakdown helpful, and I really hope this helps you make your videos better. Yeah, it was really fun breaking down my process and getting to go through some of this footage again. So I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll definitely be making more of these. If you liked it, definitely give me a like and a subscribe. Always remember, adventure the world, and I'll see you guys.